Greetings from the Stockholm Archipelago. I am on an island today. This is Grinda, and I'm right now on the Källviken, that it's called, this beautiful beach spot on the island of Grinda, and it looks absolutely stunning. It is only 10:30 a.m., so early in the morning, and from today it's actually free to travel to all of the destinations in the archipelago with Waxholmsbolaget because it's low season. So between 14th of September to 30th of April, you can travel to all of the beautiful islands that have the ferry lines from Stockholm. And yeah, today I came here from, I took the ferry from Gåshaga from Lidingö, but you can take the one also from Strömkajen. And the journey, it's around 2 hours from Strömkajen, or 1.5, depending on which boat you take, and some of them stop at different spots. But this looks amazing, and I was here 5 or 6 years ago, but back then I wasn't making beach adventures, so I really wanted to come here once again. And yeah, it's a beautiful day on this 14th of September. We have super sun, and on this spot here, Källviken, there is even a sauna that it's for the members of the society here. But I don't think I will be needing a sauna today. And I really am curious how much it is in the water. So we're gonna find out very, very soon. Here we have nice steps also to get into the water. And yeah, Grinda is my first destination on my Stockholm Archipelago tour on this sunny Sunday. Here Källviken, it's only around 800 meters from Södra Grinda, but there is one more boat stop on the north side, Norra Grinda, that it's called. And it is amazing to be living in Stockholm because you have not so many beaches, not just in the mainland or the islands that are consisting of Stockholm, but also many islands in the archipelago, and it looks absolutely stunning. We have only 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and I'm really curious what we're gonna have in the sea today. And bear in mind, this is almost open sea, or open sea I would say, and Grinda is one of the most famous islands to visit in the Stockholm Archipelago. There is even a restaurant and a hotel as well here, and the boats, the ferry boats from Waxholmsbolaget, pass by here almost every 1 hour, even more often during the season. So yeah, let's then get into the water. And wow, the water looks absolutely stunning. Look at the water, it's absolutely brilliant. I'm so happy that I'm gonna be swimming here at one of the islands in the archipelago, Grinda this is. So you must have a period ticket for at least 30 days to travel for free with Waxholmsbolaget during the low season, which is now. But this is basically summer with the sun and 17 degrees Celsius in the air. So let's get going and have a swim in the sea, Baltic Sea, at Grinda. It's amazing. Oh my god. Grinda, yes, it says here. And the moment of truth. Okay, it is only 17 degrees Celsius in the sea, which means it is the same as in the air, which is amazing. And a bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie. You can't hop in here because I'm standing here at the rocks, but it's definitely amazing. Refreshing, to say the least. And Around this there is very nice cliffs, rocks, how should I say, that you can lay on as well. So if you are in Stockholm and want to visit the Stockholm Islands for free, then you should definitely get yourself a monthly card with SL, which is the public transport operator, and then travel for free in the archipelago for 30 days. I really hope that the weather will be great for the upcoming month, so that I can visit as many islands as possible. And in low season there is basically no people that will come to these islands as well. So yeah, I feel really blessed to have this view and to be in the most clean Baltic Sea. Look at that. It's so amazing. The water is super clean. So greetings from Grinda, from Källviken. Maybe I will do one more beach adventure if I find another beautiful beach on the island, which there might be. And then here you can also walk, hike. It's quite a medium-sized island. There is lots of greenery around. And yes, greetings from Grinda on this 14th of September, this beautiful sunny morning. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.